This Maori yacht gives you an ultimate yacht experience. This 64-feet luxury yacht proves to be suitable for anyone who seeks an intermix of swiftness and lavish interiors. This yacht is the definition of sporty functionality entwined with cutting-edge architecture. This yacht brings together practicality and style with an elegant design that captures Marco Siampa's minimalism. Below deck lies a large master cabin alongside a living room that can be converted into a second cabin with the addition of a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and a crew area. Driving the 64-feet Maori yacht is an experience like no other.